But you're by yourself. Do you make noise when you're by yourself?
I don't know. I like blackout. Like no, maybe.
Yep.
Heavy breathing.
That's the answer we were looking for. Are you a back to back to back if you're by yourself person? Like, are you one and done?
It depends how tired I am.
Dude, I used to find the double X back in the day, the OG. She told me that she'd sometimes just nut like 30, 40 times in one day.
I mean, that's insane.
I'm not kidding. I'm
3 to 4, like.
She literally would lay with the magic wand, which is like the